Parang kailan lang nung first time niyang maglakad. Ang bilis niyang huliin. Ang sarap niyang amuyin. Ngayon, sobrang kulit mo na anak. Nangangamoy asim na. Buti na lang, may White Dove Kids na. May White Dove Kids bath soap that gently cleans. And shampoo plus conditioner to keep hair soft, smooth, at fresh kahit after playtime. At syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang talc-free powder na nag-aabsorb ng pawis, malambot sa balat, at may aloe vera for soothing care. May Everfresh technology na tumutulong alisin at pigilan ang amoy pawis at amoy asim. Specially formulated for older and active kids. Kaya hayaan mo siya maglaro kahit maghapon. Kasi with White Dove, fresh pa rin siya all day. White Dove Kids. Baby noon, big kid na ngayon. Fresh on and on and on.